Hi, my name is Kunal Saxena. I am the Vice President for Mechmaark Industries. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. So the fan filter unit comprises of one fan, one filter and the casing. As Mechmaark, we are manufacturing this completely in India. It has a G4 pre-filter at the top and below is a EC fan with a single phase BLDC motor, and below this is the H14 HEPA filter. So the air will enter from the top, goes through the G4 filter, sucked by the air. Below this we have the baffle plates which ensures the equal distribution of air. Then it comes down from the HEPA filter, which is H14 filter, and it is completely clean in line with ISO classifications, which could be ISO class 8, ISO class 7, ISO class 6. So Mechmaark is an Indian multinational, and our complete product range is the entire range of air purification filters, fan filter units and pre-insulated ducts.